a big drip going on over here. See all this fluid leaking out here? Not coming down the frame. And that right there is probably a problem. Yeah. It's leaking there. That's dry. A little moisture. See how it's bubbling out of that fitting right there? That means that fitting's loose. So we got brake fluid all the way back to there until we found a big leak. Let's see what we do about that big leak. Where's the 7/16 guy? Yeah, so a lot of work to get a wrench out of there. Undo that. Put some Gorilla tight on that. Tighten the piss out of that one. Tighten that a little bit too. Alright, let's see if we can get this to work better. Clean all this crap off of here. We're assuming that plastic thing is tight. Now we get small to take that down. Oh, that's loose too. Wonderful. The problem is it's plastic. I've never seen plastic on brake lines before. I don't think that'll be very secure. Supposed to be a brake switch in there. That's what should be in there. Doesn't have one. And I didn't bring one, so guess we're out of luck. That might be where the leak is coming from. I'd be surprised. Okay, it's all dry now. Try this again. I don't feel any pressure on my finger, but I feel suction, so. And the fluid level is dropping. That brake fitting. This plastic fitting is leaking, so what a shocker. I need to get a plug in there or a brake switch. One of the two. Can't bleed it without that. We pumped through most of the reservoir over there. It's not pouring on the ground, so it's filling the line up, I guess. I didn't get anything to here yet that I can see it. Doesn't mean it's not here. Okay, keep playing with this and see if we get it to work. It leaks a little bit, but it'll still pump up. Pull that back up again. We are leaking a little bit out. Okay. Arm. Only leaking slightly, it should pump. There we go. Actually felt like it had pressure. It does. She's got pressure. There's a hole that I made a hole in there somewhere, didn't I? Somewhere there's a hole. Make a new hole here in a minute. Okay. Make a new hole. If I make too much pressure, blow this plug out, so you gotta be careful. A lot of air. Big shot of air there if you saw it. Fluid. Sucking up fluid. We're definitely flushing the system out. Air, good fluid. Air. Keep sucking air. Whoa, that's got a big leak. Sounds terrible, doesn't it? Sounds like metal on metal. Probably is. It's making pressure and lost it all. Something broke. What happened? Something failed. We have no pressure now. It was working, and it quit. Something broke. Blew the seal up. Pouring oil out of it, fluid out of it. Oh, pistons. There's not even brake pads in this thing. Okay. Well, that explains quite a bit, actually. No brake pads. I guess brake pads are optional in calipers these days. That's a new one. Okay. Well, explains a lot. All right, well, there you go. We almost got it to work. If there's brake pads in there, it would work way better than what it did. All right, so it needs brake pads. It needs a brake switch. It needs a rebuild kit in here because this thing's leaking everywhere. And other than that, it's good to go. So we'll have to see if we're going to come up with any of those parts tomorrow. I don't know what kind of kit's in that without taking it apart, so probably what we'll do, take it apart. That one does work. The brake pads, we'll have to see if we can come up with anything locally here. If that's the only problem we got. Probably got other problems. All right, we'll do that.